Welcome to my channel. I am Akash Sadok. In this channel, I have bought a Python series called Python with Akash, and in this video, we will learn about how to download Python, and along with that, we will also download Visual Studio Code. So let's start without further delay. At first, open your browser and type in your search engine python.org. python.org. Then hit enter. After typing this, it will open Python official website from where we will download Python. So we will see download option here, and inside the download option we will menu option for different operating system for Python. If you are an Android or Mac or Linux user, you can download it by clicking on it. I am a Windows user, so I am downloading clicking on Window. I have already downloaded it, so it don't have any more download it again, but I will show you how to download and install it step by step. So basically, you just click Windows, and according to your system you just click over here. If you have 32-bit or 64-bit, then click over here. After download is complete, click on it, and so I'll show you. So double click here, and then set the path. So I have already installed and set the path, so you need just set the path. After installing, you set the path, double click here. After installing, you just click finish. So after successfully installing, go to your command prompt, right here cmd, and enter. Here your command prompt is opened, and then check the Python version. For check the Python version, you just write Python space minus minus version. I have made a mistake. Python minus version. So here we see the latest version of Python 3.1 3.7. By doing this, you can be sure that Python has been successfully downloaded and set up your system. We have one more thing to do. We need a code editor to write the Python script or program and run the Python program. So we will use VS Code because VS Code is a popular code editor for any other programming language. So again, go to your search engine and type here code.visualstudio.com and hit enter. Here you see different option is there for Windows user and Mac user. Because I am a Windows user, I go for Windows. You just click Window and download. I have already downloaded it. So basically you after download completed, exit. After successfully downloading, you create a file. And name it, give the name, although there is an online compiler available, but we will use code editor. It will be a benefit for us for better understanding and learning. So click over the file, and inside the file type cmd over the address bar, type cmd and hit enter. After type cmd, just write code space dot and hit enter. After typing cmd, it will open the code editor VS Code, and inside it we will write our first Python program. For writing a Python program, we need a file inside which we will write Python program. So here is option available to create a file. So click here new file and give a name. I give hello.py and hit enter. And inside the file we will write our first program. Just write print inside the bracket, put double inverted comma, and inside the double inverted comma write hello world. To print directly into this print function, it will print it automatically. Whatever you want to print, you just write inside the print function. Print is a inner function, you can say inbuilt function, that provide Python to us print anything. After the writing the print hello world, just click here. There is a run button here, just click run button, and here we see hello world is printing. Thank you for watching the video for so long. Thanks all for that. That is all for that video. In next video we will talk about Python variable and data types. Thank you.